Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous part, we learned how about the process of generating XML files and how to view the export data details. Now in this part, we will learn the process of importing those XML files into another environment. Import configuration is used to upload and apply the generated XML files into another environment. Before starting, make sure the autodata marking module is installed and the user is logged in to the target environment. To import the configuration, go to the menu and open the Import Configuration screen. Upload the .zip file generated during the export process. The system automatically reads the XML files and imports all marked master data along with their dependencies. Once completed, the system shows a confirmation message and import status logs. Now let's understand the Import Data option. This field defines how the uploaded configuration file will be processed during the import. Here we have two options. First, Insert Only. In this option, only new records from the uploaded XML file are imported. Any existing record in the target environment remains unchanged. Second, Insert and Update. In this option, new records are inserted and existing records are updated. The system identifies existing records based on criteria such as import ID, unique columns, and search key. Based on the requirement, the user can select the appropriate import option. Now we will move to the Onfinity system in the target environment and log in with the admin credentials to begin the import process. Log in with the tenant credentials. Now let's use the Import XML screens. Go to the menu and search for the import configuration. In the search utility, click on it and open the Import XML screen. Once the screen is open, you will see the three main fields: Select File, Import Data, and the Import button. First, we need to select the downloaded XML file from their system. Please note, the system accepts only this type of files. Next, go to the Download folder. After that, select this XML file. After selecting this file, the Import Data option, the Import button becomes enabled. Import Data field. This field is mandatory, and the user must select one option from the dropdown. Here we have two options: Insert Only and Insert and Update. Insert Only. This option is used when we want to import only newly created master data. Existing records in the target environment will remain unchanged. Insert and Update. This option is used to import new records as well as update existing records. The system identifies records based on these criteria, like export ID, unique columns, or search key columns. Any records that are already updated or customized will be skipped as per system logic. For this, we have a separate technical document to understand this logic. So here, we select the Insert and Update option from the dropdown. Below, the Import button is enabled. Now click on the Import button to start the import process. Once the import is started, the import is completed, the system displays a log file similar to the log shown after module installation. This log helps us to verify whether all records were imported successfully. From here, we can also download the log files and server log file to review the import status in details for the future purpose. So this is how we import the XML files into another environment. Once the log file is downloaded, the next step is to verify whether the records have been imported successfully into the target environment. For verification, we need to check the same master screen where the data was originally created, such as the product master and text rate screen. Go to the product master screen. Once the product master screen is opened, search for the product name, for example, pen. As you can see, the product record is now available on this screen. This confirms that the product record has been successfully imported into the target environment. Now let's open the UOM conversion tab. You can see that the UOM conversion is also updated here. This shows that not only the main product record, but all its related data has been imported successfully. Now let's move to the next screen, that is tax rate. Once the tax rate screen is opened, search for the tax rate record that is rate 10. As you can see here, the tax rate value is now updated with 15. This confirms that the record has been successfully imported into the target environment. So the data in the destination environment is now fully aligned with the data from the source configuration environment. This same process works in the same way for other master screens as well. whether they have a single tab or multiple tabs. So this is a complete process of using autodata marking. We first generate the XML files from the source environment, then use those files to import the data into the target environment. By following this process, we can easily migrate and verify that the same master data are available in the target environment exactly as required without any manual effort or data mismatch. So by the end of this session, we now have a complete overview of the autodata marking process. We understood the concept and purpose of autodata marking. We learned how roles data marking files and the recorder work together to automatically track changes. We also understand how master records and their dependencies are captured for migration. We learned the complete steps to generate and import XML files between environments. And finally, we understood the difference between insert only and insert and update options during the import process. So this concludes our session on auto data marking in the Onfinity system. Thank you.